Hey everyone, this is a simple look you can wear every day. I'm going to start priming my eyes with the Urban Decay Primer Potion. This is going to help make the eyeshadow last all day. I'll be using this Naked Ultimate Basics palette by Urban Decay. I'm going to take the MAC 222 brush and apply the Tempted eyeshadow above my crease, making an illusion that my eye is bigger. Then I'm going to blend it with the MAC 224 brush. Next, I'm going to take a big fluffy brush and apply the Blow eyeshadow on my brow bone and blend it. Then I'm going to take the MAC 239 brush and apply the PREGAME eyeshadow on my lid and blend it. Lastly, I'm going to take a small thin round brush from Sonia Kashuk and apply the Lockout eyeshadow on my outer crease and blend it. Here's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoy. It's very simple, yet you can wear it to work or anywhere you please. I've been working on a couple videos lately, but it's very basic. Hopefully I can make more dramatic looks. Thanks for watching.